logged onto the library computer, which connected to the internet via a phone line, and she used it to auto-dial hundreds of other computers until one of them answered. Now, back then, if you had the password, you could access other people's files. So she typed in 0000 as a guess, but to her surprise, it connected, bringing up the FBI database. But since the password was so easy, she just thought it was a computer game. She spent 2 weeks looking through top-secret information while the FBI scrambled to find the hacker. And when they finally showed up, they were shocked to find it was a child. They brought her in for questioning and discovered her mother worked for NASA. And because the girls saw the secret files, they thought her mother might have too, meaning she could have lost her job. But instead, they just banned the girl from computers for the next 8 years.
There is now nothing off limits when it comes to digital violations of the Geneva Convention. And that's the future of cyber warfare. In the night of the 25th into the early morning of the 26th, the Russians hit the Ukrainian State Border Guard with a wiper virus. I got to see firsthand the absolute suffering and human effects and the fact that people froze to death because of a cyber warfare attack.
The German London is Captain. Apologies for that. We suffered what's called a spoofing situation where the aircraft thinks it's lower than it is. This is due to the jamming that's associated with Kaliningrad area of Russian airspace.
late 2024, a Russian military manual leaked. Not a questionable Telegram post or shaky, dubious GoPro footage. An official, numbered General Staff Training Memo, Pamitka po primeneniu FPV, Dronov translation memo on the use of FPV drones. Each copy carried its own distribution number. Several are already circulating. That means one thing. Somewhere in Russia, someone is being hunted for letting this slip. In the current climate, it wouldn't surprise me if one of those people already fell out of a window.
You can grab my full analysis on Amazon.com in ebook format now.